Even if we don't look okay, it's fine, don't worry about it. It doesn't matter. It's already like almost 9 o'clock. I used to be a person that couldn't have breakfast later than 8. Well, later than 7, and then 8, and now apparently 9. Anyhow, hi! Good morning. How are you feeling? What are you doing? What you been up to? I had a revolutionary idea. Well, no, it's not revolutionary. Well, it was a new take on a revolutionary idea. Basically, I was having duck pancakes, duck pancakes, like the Asian. I bought a kit that is like vegan duck with the pancakes for the duck. Maybe me ate all the duck and only 2 of the pancakes, so now I have loads of pancakes that are kind of like rice pancakes. They're really flat. I'll show you. You see, they're like discs, really thin discs. So I don't have more duck for the pancakes, so I didn't know what to do anymore. I was like scrolling through Instagram and I saw this video of the typical omelette sandwich, that you do the omelette in the pan and then you put the bread. And I have duck pancakes. And I have eggs. So basically we're gonna try to do that, but with the duck pancakes, and see what happens. And of course I was gonna bring you along, because why not? Right, so basically you need salt, pepper, the egg obviously, spring onion, milk, and obviously the grapes. Well, we have to do an omelette, and everybody knows how to make an omelette. I put a spring onion because, I don't know, in my house my mom always did it and it just tastes really nice, so if you haven't tried it, try it. Oh, also some paprika. Paprika is so good with it. Where's the paprika? Paprika. So let's do this, shall we? We shall. Honestly, if you see how many places I try to like put this so you can see me properly. It's a case. I'm putting you there so you can see what I'm actually doing. And let's take off this skin, off all the skin that is dried. Pepper, paprika, some salt, little bit milk. Oh, there's not a lot anyway. This up. We whisk that up. La-da-dee-do. I'm gonna need a little bit of milk. She always has coconut milk. I'm drinking eggs, coconut milk. No. At hand, obviously, the cheese that you're gonna use, because an omelette without cheese, and how is that possible? Ham as well. I think we're ready. Oh, hold on. I feel like we should hydrate them a little bit because they look dry. If you like rice paper, so in a plate I'm just gonna put a little bit, the tiniest bit of water, and then the ones it's just like make them wet. Just wanted to show you because I created my little station over here, because I think that this process has to be kind of quick. So I cut like in a square the ham, because I was like these grabs are kind of small, so I'm guessing that a whole ham wouldn't fit as nicely. I have like the pancakes over there, the egg mixture there, and the ham and cheese there, a little bit of one-cow spray over there. And then we go ahead and add the egg. Oh, maybe that was too much. Don't know if this was right or not, but Gordon Ramsay has this trick that he kind of starts, or not Gordon Ramsay as well, but I've seen this trick basically that they mix it a little bit at first, and then you leave it in a low one until it's cooking. And then we put the tortilla like that. Okay. Maybe we should have done half first and then the other half. No. Don't tell me that is not gonna work. I feel like it's burning. Don't mix it. I shouldn't have mixed it. Oh, for God's sake. Well, that's not it, is it? It works, but it doesn't look that nice. So I'm doing it again. Milk, eggs, pepper, onion, everything again. Mix, 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 mix. Low heat. Grease the bastards. Grease it, 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 grease it. Wait until it's hot. Is it hot? And then we wait. Stop again. Okay, we need. Why didn't we think that before? Never mind. I'm not repeating it again, so you just don't yours. Actually, the whole ham could have fit. Yeah. I think that's done. Gorgeous. Time for the taste test. Oh my lord, looks so good. Can you even see that? That's amazing. I can't. You need to try this, please. So good, honestly. I love it. Well, I'm gonna finish this and thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Try it, try it, try it, try it, try it. Try it, really try it. Try to be patient and not let your omelette stick, but apart from that, just try it.